Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing a flip cup with leftover paint. I have gold and red and lots of white, some blues, an orange, just all mixed together. So I just flipped it and then kind of spun it around, and I'm going to stretch it out. And I want it on the canvas fairly thin because I'm going to do a string pull on top of it. There's so many colors just swirling all around. But I'm looking at that white part that just keeps spreading and going, I had planned to do the string pull with a red so it would show up on all these colors. But now I'm thinking that I may do something different. That white spot is forming a perfect place to do a string pull through. And I'm thinking that gold that's on the other side and runs throughout the painting might be really nice with the string pull. But we got to get this last corner covered first. All my paint is mixed with Floetrol water as usual. All right, so we're about done. Let's get ready to do a string pull. Or maybe we're not done. Still got to get a little more in that corner. So I was going to do a voiceover for the whole entire string pull, but my mom is watching me and she is so cute, her reaction. So watch the string pull. I am using gold. I hope I don't ruin it. Oh well, it's all an experiment anyway.
Aren't you swift?
I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Here goes nothing.
Huh?
Here goes nothing.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh, I like it.
Oh my word.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes.
Yay!
It looks like a plant.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Woohoo! And it builds that
Oh,
perfectly.
it's getting some blue in it. And red.
Mm-hmm. Pulled the other colors.
Oh.
I love it. Yay. I'm so happy. All right, let's go in for some close-ups. The red and the purple have lots of lacing there. Loving all the color, the cells. This painting has so much going on. There's the upper right-hand corner, upper left-hand corner. There's the lower left-hand corner. Lots of more cells. And check out the gold in the middle. How pretty. I love how this turned out. So much fun. A string pour that turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.